Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize LinkTrackr for affiliate marketing in USA step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the LinkTrackr website. Log into your LinkTrackr account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the dashboard. Find the Affiliate Programs section in the menu. Click on Add New Affiliate Program. Choose the type of affiliate program you want to authorize. Fill in the required details, including the program name and URL. Select the tracking method you wish to use for this program. Configure any additional settings based on your preferences. Save the changes to add the new affiliate program to your LinkTrackr account. Now, navigate to the Settings tab in the menu. Click on Authorization under the Settings options. Follow the prompts to integrate your affiliate network with LinkTrackr. Enter the necessary API keys or credentials as requested. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Once added, test the authorization to confirm successful integration. After confirmation, you can start creating tracking links for your affiliate marketing. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Begin promoting your affiliate links with confidence, knowing they're properly tracked. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.